Oh my goodness. Hello everybody. Welcome back to Simply Cooking. Just kidding. Welcome back. I just got home from work. We're gonna cook dinner. I got some corn on the cob. Yummy, yummy. We're gonna put that in our tummy. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Alright. The grocery store I go to, they have creations they make. The creations they make were like Brat Burgers. Half beef, half brat. Like $10. These were on sale, $3, $4. I'm still coming in under budget from what they were offering for 4 patties. And then I also got some of these farmhouse butter rolls. All right, we're gonna take our hamburger. We're gonna drop it in. We're gonna take our brats. Wait, I thought you were gonna grill those. No. You would think, but you're wrong. So simple. We're just gonna cut that skin off of them. Just like that. See, I got the skin off just like that.
I got my glove. What's that? What's that?
Grab the skin, pull it off.
There's my key in there. Now I get my glove now. My ear. Now I tuck it now.
So we're gonna keep one brat. Seasonings are simple. Salt, pepper. I got some of this Blackstone whiskey burger. And I also got some of this Flavor Bomb burger liver seasoning. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply just get our hands dirty. We're gonna start mixing in those brats with the hamburger meat and get it good in there. Or just like one ranch seasoning packet in there. Make ranch burgers tonight, or brat ranch burgers. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our ranch, we're gonna dump it in there. We're gonna go with pepper.
I want to do pepper.
I got it.
I want to do this one. How about I do that one?
I'll do that one too.
I did this one?
Yeah, you can do that one. Okay. Salt.
How do you open it?
I'll open it for you. This is the whiskey burger seasoning. While he does that one, I'll come in with the Flavor Bomb. All right, that's good.
What is this one?
Okay. And then Axel added in the Chicago. We got some cheese.
Oh, I want that cheese. Nobody has that cheese.
We're gonna add some cheese. All right, and then just mix this all up. Mix all this goodness up. For the corn, it's simple. You're just gonna get a bowl, put some water in it. It's already shredded. And then wait until it finishes cooking. Salt, pepper, butter. You can't ask for good. So we're just gonna start patting these. Be mindful that these will shrink on the grill. And we do have some thick buns. So we're gonna make some thick burgers. And they're gonna be good. Look at that. That's a good sized burger. So I got 5 big burgers. Now, if you wanted to make smash burgers, you could probably make, for a good party, some smash burgers with these, because I got 5 thick burger patties. And look, you can see the seasoning and the cheese, everything in those bad boys. All right, we're out. We got our grill going. It's just smoking. So a friend told me about an idea that they do when they grill burgers, and they put sauce on their burgers before they grill it. So I started messing around, and I add Heinz 57, like probably like 2 tablespoons, and about a half a cup of barbecue sauce, mix it together, and I put that on my burger when I put it on the grill, and it just enhances the flavor. That's how we've been doing it, and that's what we love. Everybody's taste different, or everybody's taste palette is different. So you might like something different that I like. I also like to add in a little bit of a pineapple hot sauce sometimes to it, and it just makes the flavor over the top. All right, got them bad boys on. I do position my grill because I need to flip this. I need to put my Blackstone over on this side and put my charcoal grill on this side because the ventilation's there. So I open it up for ventilation. We're just gonna coat the top of this with that Heinz 57 barbecue mixture. Found the other seasoning I was looking for. Buttery burger blend. This is a very whim recipe. Flipping time. Oh, yeah. Woo, buddy. This one's about the same. Yes, sir. So here we got our burgers on that side, literally right by the chimney. So that heat's gonna go over as it rises up. Go right there by it. So we're gonna close that little smoke chimney off a little bit. Our burgers, I just put the cheese on top. Our hot dogs are looking great. That brat is looking alrighty. Let's find out together. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Woo! Here we go. Oh my God. Yo, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you. Make this. This is the only way I'm gonna make burgers from here on. Tell them that.
Oh. That's very good.
Okay, that was a secret celebrity apparently. Take a bite.
I'm gonna do it. How do you do it?
Is it good? Hey, simple recipe, simple ingredients. I cut some brats up, mixed it in with the hamburger meat, seasoned ranch, threw it on the grill, and we're here. Threw the corn in a pot, ready. It's currently 7 o'clock. I started this about 6 o'clock when I got home. Live it up.